So here we have it, the all-new 5 or 7 seat SUV Volkswagen Tayron. And yes, that's right, I pronounced it correctly, Tayron, not Tayron, like you might think. This is a vehicle designed, developed and manufactured in Wolfsburg for Europe. And it's Volkswagen's second largest SUV, sitting nicely between the Tiguan and the Touareg. So here in the UK, you can get the Volkswagen Tayron in 5 different trims. You get the Life, the Match, the Elegance, the R-Line and the R-Line Edition. Costs start from just over £40,000. We also have 6 powertrains on offer. You have 2 petrols, 1 diesel, 1 mild hybrid and 2 plug-in hybrids. The Tayron boasts a distinctive and authentic SUV design. It's just shy of 4.8 meters long. And in comparison, the Tiguan sits at 4.5 meters and the Touareg sits at 4.9. You get the nice illuminated Volkswagen logo at the front and the rear of the car. That comes as standard across the whole range. You also have this nice horizontal LED bar that runs across the width of the bonnet and the rear of the car. On this specific trim, the Elegance, you've got some nice chrome tip 3D design on the grille. On the R-Line, you'll see a bit more of a honeycomb design. So currently in the UK, you can choose up to 6 alloy wheels, ranging from 18-inch up to 20-inch. These ones here are the 19-inch Catanias. Now, on to the interior highlights. Stylish design, high quality materials throughout each trim, ambient lighting with 30 different color options, and a whole host of optional equipment such as panoramic sliding sunroof, Harman Kardon sound system, and the ErgoActive Plus seats with massage function. So staying in the cockpit, there's so much tech to talk about in here. Let's start with the slick, high-quality infotainment touchscreen. 12.9 inch is standard, but you can also choose the optional 15-inch. You have the 10-inch Digital Cockpit Pro screen behind the steering wheel. And just like the Golf, Tiguan and Passat, we've listened to customer feedback and we've brought back the physical buttons on the steering wheel and the backlit touch sliders. You can also charge 2 phones wirelessly just under the infotainment touchscreen. You get an improved IDA voice assistant with ChatGPT. And also, just like in the Tiguan, you get this driving experience switch where you can adjust things like volume, driving profiles, and the atmosphere of the cabin. One of the key USPs of this car is the sheer space you get inside, and that's evident in this second row. You can recline your seat backwards, you can move it forwards, you can move it backwards again, providing plenty of legroom. You can adjust the climate control to suit your needs. You've got this built-in sun blind to help on sunny days. You've got these pockets in the back of the front seat that neatly hold a phone. You've also got this multifunctional armrest here, which when pulled out, gives you an option of 2 cup holders, or you can put your phone in there or a tablet, tilt it towards you and continue your latest Netflix series. So, continuing on the space theme, I'm now going to talk you through the boot spaces of a 7-seat Tayron. With all 7 seats up, you get a respectable 345 litres of boot space. Fold the 3rd row down, that goes to 850 litres. And if you fold the 2nd row down as well, you get a whopping 1,905 litres of boot space. In the Volkswagen Tayron, you're going to see features that are normally seen in the premium segment. Things like DCC Pro. Drivers have the option of individually adjusting the settings to suit their needs, so do you prefer a comfortable ride or a sportier one? So there you have it, the all-new Volkswagen Tayron, available in UK showrooms now.